Looking for a different method of combining and promoting a special 3-pack of its smaller 1.4 ounce Bloody Knuckles hand repair balm, Duke Cannon worked closely with Duke Corporation to design a package that is both functional and visually appealing. The 2 UGP device wraps around and under 3 jars of the hand repair balm and even throws in a carry handle. The custom die-cut 2 UGP uses 3 strips of adhesive and digital printing on clear plastic to create a useful, interesting method of displaying the 3 products. The artwork is designed to make the package look like it was duct taped together. In addition, the design of the package with a built-in carry handle allows it to stand on a shelf or even hang on a peg hook. This display flexibility, combined with the unique look of the package, means this product will be noticed anywhere in the store.